Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be making fried rice. So a client contacted me to come to our house to make she's a Muslim, so she contacted me to come and help her make bulk meals for the Ramadan fast. So I made fried rice, jollof rice, bulk meat. So in today's video I'm going to be showing how I made the fried rice using everything she has at home. So just in case in this video there's some things you'd expect to see and you did not see it, just know that I had to work with what the clients had. So yes, starting off, I'm going to be chopping my yellow pepper. I love the taste of yellow pepper, like the yellow bell pepper in like any meal. It has this distinct taste. So yeah, moving on to the green bell pepper. I'll be chopping it. I'll be chopping it as well. So like I said, this is actually a bulk cooking. I made about 10 cups of rice. The whole cooking actually took me the whole day. Obviously I wasn't making just fried rice. Like I said, I made a lot of meals for her. So moving on, I'll be cutting my spring onions. I call these spring onions, guys. If I am wrong, kindly correct me in the comment section, but I call it spring onions. Yes, so basically I'm just going to be showing you guys how I I'm chopping the vegetables. So this is the carrot, and I believe everybody knows how to do this, but I just thought to just include this clip so that it will just be part of the process. And yes, yeah, so moving on, this is how I like to make my fried rice. I like to fry the rice. So before starting that, I like to use my butter, put my what's it called now, bay leaf, and then I like to just flavor the oil. Like I like to build flavors basically, and then after putting the flavors, yes, I don't joke with garlic and ginger. If I was doing this in my house, I would have used the raw, like blended garlic and ginger to, yeah, because I just feel like it's more flavorful. And then yeah, I like to fry the rice. I like to fry the rice, or should I use the word toast? This is because it will prevent it from spoiling quickly. This is my personal opinion. I've tried it and this is what works for me. So I will, on a very low heat, and aside from the fact that it will prevent it from spoiling quickly, the fact that I have flavored the oil, now toasting the rice into that oil, it allows the flavors to penetrate into the rice. And then I'll add my curry powder and I'll just keep stirring so it doesn't get burnt, and keep stirring till I am satisfied with what I have. Even you guys will notice when the color changes, that means your rice is like well toasted. Can you guys see right now? Can you see that the color has changed? Yes, this is what I am going for. Now moving on, I'm going to be adding my meat stock into the rice, and then obviously I'll add more water. If you have more meat stock, you can actually cook the rice with like the meat stock. It will make the rice even more flavorful. And then I'll be adding my seasoning cube, and after adding seasoning cube, I'll be adding every other spice that I want to use, and that's black pepper. Now putting basil. I'll also be adding my white pepper, ginger, garlic. I don't joke with them, like I don't. So I'm going to be mixing it together, guys. This rice showed me pepper because the pot was kind of too small at the end of the day. So moving on to the veggies, the clients wanted me to add scrambled eggs into it, so that's what I'm doing now. For the scrambled egg, I added black pepper and salt into the egg. That's all. And after scrambling the egg, I'll be going in. So the next thing is the prawn. I seasoned with paprika, black pepper, my seasoning cube, and I just fried it for some time. Allowed, then brought it out. The next thing would be the remaining veggies. So this time I'm going to be adding more oil to the pot, and then I'll be going in with the veggies. So I'm just going to start by, putting the yellow bell pepper, the green bell pepper, everything, all the veggies like the pepper and the spring onions. And yeah, I'll allow that cook for a while before adding the carrots and the remaining things. So after putting this, now I'm going to be adding my seasoning cube to, intensify the flavor and just make the veggies have taste. Like, do you understand? Seasoning cube and my, yeah. Now moving on, I'll be adding, this is green peas. Yeah, is this green peas? Yeah, green peas. So I'll be adding the green peas. It's the frozen one, guys. So now, okay, yeah, it was at this point that I added seasoning cube, and I'm just going to continue cooking before adding the carrots. Yes, so this is the carrots. So I'm going to stir it, and just mind you guys, I'm cooking on a very low heat. Yeah, always cook on low heat. That's the best, like that's just the best thing to do. Cook on low heat. Now this is my sweet corn. Am I the only one that when I get sweet corn from the store, I always, like, after pouring it out, I rinse it out with clean water? Obviously, I think people should do that. That's just my personal things. That's just my personal thing to do. So yeah. So yeah, I added salt, I added parsley. Basically, any spice you want to add at this point, just add it. Just make sure that's not too much. And then now the scrambled egg. So the reason I did not really scramble the egg at the beginning is because I know that by the time I'm mixing it with the vegetables, I will still have to scramble it. Can you guys see what I'm doing? So yeah, that's why. Now moving on to the rice, guys. At this point, I had to scoop out the rice because it was a lot, and I was now cooking the remaining one in another pot. So yeah, the rice is ready, and now I'm just trying to mix the veggies with the rice. It's that simple, guys. It is that simple. So I'm just going to be mixing the veggies with the rice, and that's the end of the video. Quick and easy fried rice, guys. Mind you, I had to make use of everything she had. Normally I would have, used soy sauce and all, but I had to work with the ingredients the customer had. So yeah, if you're new to the channel and you're not yet subscribed, please don't forget to like and subscribe this to this channel. Thank you for watching.